For session 9A, students will practice mindfulness, again, that coping skill, by creating fall-themed art, focusing on being present, calm, and fully engaged in the activity. Art and Zentangle designs offer a creative outlet to manage big emotions while staying mindful. The supplies you'll need for this activity are copies of The Peaceful Pumpkin or My Leaf of Mindfulness for each child, some coloring supplies, there's optional Zentangle idea, maybe one copy per small group of kids, and then any black markers or pens for Zentangle work. And I'll explain that in a little bit. Ahead of time, go ahead and make copies. Decide if you're using the breathing page or not. And by that, I mean at the bottom of this handout, there are pumpkins that have arrows prompting the child to breathe slowly as they move around the pumpkin, or without. Same with the leaf, prompting them to breathe in and out as they finger trace around the leaf. So decide which ones you want to use, or make copies of all and allow the child to choose. After your warm welcome, discuss mindfulness and being present in the moment, being aware of their thoughts, their feelings, and their surroundings. Discuss how art can help with big emotions and ask maybe what they do using art when they are having a big emotion. Show your example of one of the completed items in the coloring sheets. It doesn't have to be a real pumpkin, it can be anything they'd like. Or they could use the Zentangle option. So Zentangle is a way of doodling that I've included a copy of that handout in your binders. They could use doodles and then color on top of that if you'd like. So once you've passed out the sheets, allowing time to color and Zentangle, encourage the slow breathing, whether they have the arrows or not, as they trace around the pumpkin or the leaf. Encourage this actually while they are coloring as well. Remind them that they can practice this anytime they have big emotions. After your reflection questions, remind them that focusing one task at a time helps calm the mind and body, and that Zentangling and coloring are tools to manage those strong emotions and really stay present.